Okay, so this is the Jackson floor plan. So you come in and this is the kitchen. There's a pantry, island, and I'm gonna find out what all the included, I'm sure it's stainless steel. This is just a Formica countertop, so I don't know if they allow you to upgrade it. This has tile flooring in here. I'll find out again if that is an upgrade or if it comes standard with carpet. Some of them have like the LVP flooring. So this is the downstairs area. It's a townhome floor plan, so it's kind of a narrow floor plan. It does have a covered lanai back here. And that's probably a storage unit, which I'll double check. And there is a half bath here. This is a very popular floor plan. Like I said, I've seen this in a few communities. And then we'll head upstairs. Here is one of the guest bedrooms. This may actually be the master. A walk-in closet. And this one has a walk-in shower and a single sink here. That's just the breaker box, linen closet, and then your washer and dryer are upstairs. And I'll find out, she's on her way back, so I'll find out if that comes included or if that's something you have to add after. And then this is the second bedroom. It's almost like two masters because each bedroom has its own bathroom. This one has the tub, of course. So again, this is the Jackson floor plan at Deer Run. And there's another walk-in closet here. Actually a really good size.